In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim a domain on Odoo. We'll begin from the Odoo home screen. From there, click on Website. This is where Odoo manages your site-related settings, including the tools you need to connect or purchase a domain for your website. Once the website section opens, look for the configuration menu and click on it. Inside configuration, select domain name to open the domain management area. On this page, click on My website is ready. This option takes you into the process of setting up your site's public domain, which is the web address visitors will use to reach your Odoo website. Next, click on Get a New Domain Name. This is the option to use if you want to search for and register a brand new domain directly through the platform. You'll now see a field where you can type in the domain name you want. Enter your preferred domain carefully. It's a good idea to choose something short, clear, and easy to remember if possible. After typing it in, click the search icon so Odoo can check whether that domain is available. Once the search results appear, review the available options and choose the domain that works best for you. When you've made your decision, click Select. After that, you'll be asked to provide contact information for the domain registration. Start by selecting the type of contact that applies to you. This is typically important for domain ownership records, so make sure you choose the correct option. Next, enter your first name and then your last name in the required fields. After that, type in your phone number. Be sure to use accurate information here, since domain registration details often need to be valid and complete. Then choose your country from the list provided. After selecting your country, type in your address. Take a moment to enter it correctly, since this information is usually tied to the registration record. Then fill in your zip code in the appropriate field. Once everything has been entered, review the form to make sure your domain choice and contact details are correct. When you're ready, click Register to complete the process. At that point, Odoo will begin the domain registration using the information you provided. If everything is accepted successfully, your new domain will be claimed and associated with your website setup. And that's how to claim a domain on Odoo.